Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Cleaning water-based paints from rollers. Before you begin to paint, prepare a 5-gallon 19L bucket with a cleaning solution of water and fabric softener for each paint roller you plan to use. Fill each bucket with warm water and add 2 cups 473 L of fabric softener and stir. When the fabric softener dissolves, it breaks the surface tension of the water, which dissolves the paint faster. If you prefer, you can clean the roller brush with plain water and a capful of mild dish detergent. Remove as much excess paint from the roller as possible by rolling it and pressing it hard against the roller paint pan. You can also spread out 4 or 5 layers of old newspapers on the floor and roll the paint off onto the newspaper. Dip the roller into the bucket with the cleaning solution and move it around for at least 20 seconds. Remove the paint roller from the bucket and rinse it with warm water under a running tap until the water runs clear. When all the paint has come off the roller, you need to remove as much water from it as possible before hanging it up to dry. Roll it back and forth on an old terry cloth towel or a thick layer of paper towels to absorb the moisture. Cleaning oil-based paints from rollers. Remove excess paint from the roller by rolling it back and forth on the paint pan or onto several layers of old newspapers. Roll the brush into the thinner and back and forth in the pan, just as though you were getting ready to paint. When the roller is clean, press out excess paint thinner by rolling it on several layers of old newspapers or an old towel. If there is still paint on the roller, refill the paint pan with more mineral spirits or turpentine and repeat the process. Allow the roller to air dry, preferably by hanging it on a nail or hook. When the roller is dry, cover it with wax paper, plastic wrap, or aluminum foil to protect it from dirt and dust.